Okay guys, trade recap. Trades I share in the private list: Apricot Finance, Onyx Coin, Avalanche, Midlayer, Leak Protocol, Hubble Protocol. Guys, it's very important to I tell you something. Let's talk about this coin again. Onyx Coin. I shared this trade in the private list right here on December 5th. Before the pump, we bought this coin for 0.001 and put a sell order up here, 0.002. We made 100%. I made 10K. Okay? But you gotta understand, I don't control how high the pump goes, guys. This coin pump up to almost 200%. We put a sell order up here. What I do control, it's the time. That's my soft is tracking, volume spike plus buyer power. Let me give you an example here. The time of the pump. Oh, this is Onyx Coin. My soft picked this move right here. On December 4, the volume of this coin was $3.5 million. December, right after, the volume pumped to $13.6 million. So this volume spike right here, that's what my soft timed the move before the uptrend move. That's when I shared my trades in the private list because I increase the volume, I increase the buyer power, okay? But I don't control how high the pump goes. We put a sell order up here because we use daily resistance to find a target. But sometimes the price continue going up. I don't recommend you buy here or buy here. You're supposed to buy here. If you lost this wave, don't worry, just wait for the next coin, okay? Let's talk about another coin here. Avalanche, guys. Avalanche. That's another coin made 180% profit. My soft pick this move right here. Pay attention to this. On December 2nd, the volume of this coin was $332,000. December 4, volume jumped to $754,000. That's the kind of move my soft picks. We timed the move. Avalanche 180% profit. I shared this trade in the private list right here on December 5th before the pump. We bought this coin for 63 cents. Put a sell order up here. Daily resistance $1.80. We made 180%. I made $18,000. Guys, if you'd like to get those trades in real time, you already know. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% return per week, guys. Also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. Our last call was to buy Bitcoin at $27,000. Right now, the price is 43. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list, guys. Overall, today, I just mentioned we made 725%. I made $72,000. Software track the market 24/7, guys. Okay, let me show how many coins I share in the private list. Take a look at this. 3,000 coins in my radar. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day.